So let me show you how to factory reset your Sony Smart TV using your phone. Okay, so if you're not able to reset it the other way, maybe you don't have your remote with you, you can actually do it with the phone. So what you need to do is simply get to the Google Home app. So this app is available for both Android and iPhone users. So let me show you Google Home, this app right here, the Google Home app. So launch that Google Home app and make sure it's signed into the same account as the account on the TV. Now, once you do that, you just need to go to devices and then you'll see your Google TV there. And then now you can tap on open remote and that opens up the remote control. Now you can use that remote control to navigate on your TV until you get to the factory reset settings. So let's scroll down, for instance. Let's scroll down to system, select that. Under system, let's go to about, select that. Then let's go to reset, select that. And then you can now click on factory data reset and confirm. Okay, it's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.